Hi everyone, Sarah back again today, and I am doing a layout with the Smile Kit from Tiara Kits. I am starting with a piece of white cardstock. I'm going to go through multiple of the papers trying to find something to have as like a border around this piece because, I don't know, I've been liking borders lately. But I'm also going to use those blue foam thickers over there that you get in the kit. I don't always use my thickers. And I remember I used to put them on layouts and then cover them with gesso and use a ton of mixed media. I'm not always patient enough for that anymore. So I'm not going to do that this time. I really like the blue color of these though. So, I went ahead and gutted this piece of paper, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my, white cardstock down, and then I'm going to rough up the edges like I always do because it's just what I do. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that here really quick. It's not cold outside here. I think I always have like something, a hoodie or a flannel or something on when I'm scrapbooking. It's not cold outside, but it's cold in the house. So I'm going to rough these edges up a little more with my finger. And then these are two pictures of my girls from their first day of school. And so I thought with all these adorable backpacks and stuff in these kits, in this kit from like Chamel, her collection, I was like, yeah, I got to do that. I do pull a title piece from my stash to go ahead and use on here as well. But I traced around, like drew a line around where my photos go. And then I started with the letters that I don't normally use. And then I'm like, I'm just going to go in and use one letter of each. So that's what I'm doing now. I kind of am reconfiguring them to fit a little bit differently, try to get them straight because I never can get them straight, but it's all good. And then I'm on the right hand side, I'm going with the curve of the photo, which I shouldn't have done. I should have just went straight up and down, but you do and you do it and you learn. I honestly wasn't even paying attention until the playback when I started this voiceover that I did that. So it is what it is. I still like the way it turns out. It's just funny because one side's tilted and the other side is not. And I keep trying to make it straight. And so I'm kind of fighting with myself because the whole thing is tilted on that side. I don't know. I went through and used even some of the little exclamation points, a couple numbers, a bunch of the letters. And then I called that good because now I can stick my photos over here where I want them. I'm going to move a couple more around. I'm sorry if you hear the rain in the background. I'm going to move them around until I'm happy with them. I was thinking of using more and spreading it out, but I decided against it. I grabbed some foam from my stash. It's got adhesive on one side. You get it from Walmart. It's just nice and easy to grab for. I'm going to use the other one and just stick it straight on the paper so that it's going to be where the photo is going to be. And I'll just add glue to it itself and stick my photo down. That way I didn't have to worry about, it going over the other photo or overlapping the other foam. That's just how my brain worked with that. And here, of course, I pulled the first backpack and it's that cute little pink one full of stuff. This is the title piece I pulled from my stash. It says school's back in session. I'm rubbing them all on my arm. I have one of those little doohickeys that you rub on the back of it and it makes them to where they're not sticky. I don't know why I don't reach for that more. I guess because my arm's right there. It's just easy, I guess. I don't know. I snipped that because of the foam that's already behind the photo. I wanted it to go in further and it wouldn't because it is also foam. So I went ahead and snipped that to where it would fit. I did a couple of the flowers down on the bottom as I did on the top. I'll add another one up top eventually. But I'm also going to go in and fussy cut a couple of these backpacks out. They're just too cute. So I went ahead and fussy cut those out. They really don't take long at all. It's not real tedious work. Flowers are more tedious. These were a nice big shape. So it wasn't a big deal. But I put two up top and I'm going to put one down here at the bottom. I'm going to add some foam behind the one down at the bottom, and I added the books up top. Here, I'm just trying to find a little piece of foam to stick on the back of that one, and I'll rough the edges up a little bit before I stick it down. And that's what, I thought that's what, I'm unclogging my, my glue bottle is what I was doing right there. I'm going to go ahead and stick the backpack down. And I did put some glue behind the other ones because I had like rubbed them on my arm to make them where they weren't sticky. I wanted to make sure they stayed on the layout. I'm going through the stickers here, the cardstock stickers, to see if there was more that I wanted to put down. I wanted to add another flower up there to the left-hand side of the books and backpacks. So I went ahead and did that. I'm actually going to go back and get another piece here in a minute. But right now I'm just trying to make sure I have everything glued down. I don't know how many times I've done it, but I picked up a layout and something's fallen off. And I'm like, oh, where was that? And I had to go back to the video and rewatch it to see where it was. But I'm trying to get better at that. I went ahead and held that down when I glued it. And then this says feeling good. They were both actually smiling and happy. So that's all that mattered to me at that time. I'll rough the edges up with this. And I went ahead and popped it up. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue. And then I'm going to apparently try to straighten that a bunch. And these puffy stickers are just the cutest. I'm pulling a bunch of little hearts and stars and just putting them randomly around the layout. I do grab one little purple camera and put it down there by the backpack on the bottom. And that's what I'm doing there. And then I will move this stuff aside. And I grabbed the peacock feathers distress spritz from the mixed media kit. And I'm going to splatter that around here and there since there was a lot of blue in this layout. And I love the shine and the way this looks. So that finishes this layout. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please remember to like and subscribe. I'm getting close to 1,000 followers, and then I'll be doing a giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.